Lady here. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. And I want to welcome all my new subscribers. And I want to welcome all of my first-time viewers to the channel. Hold on one second, guys. Okay, sorry about that. First off, I want to apologize for this vlog being so late. Guys, today was a number day at work. I looked at numbers all day. Ended up spending half my day writing and ordering signage. Just a bunch of numbers. And what happened was I came straight home, took off my shoes, kicked up my feet, and I literally fell asleep right where I sat in my work clothes. Also, I want to apologize for my hair. It is still kind of wet. I didn't wash it when I woke up from my nap. My hair was like big, like Texas big. And so I sprayed it down and did something with it because it looked so bad. Today's shirt, Craftsman hoodie. This was purchased at Lowe's, I think 2 years ago at Christmas time. This is the thickest, warmest hoodie, and it does have the hand pouch thing. So anyway, it's Friday evening. Do you guys know why I'm here? Think about what we've been talking about, guys. Yes, it came. Between the time my husband pulled out of the driveway to go to work and the time I pulled in, it was delivered. Hold on. Oh my gosh, it's so big. Oh. That's right, guys. The Nespresso coffee maker is here. So, without further ado, I'm going to try and make this unboxing where you guys can kind of see it. Oh, there's damage to the box. Oh, I hope there's no damage to the coffee maker. So, let's get to unboxing, guys. I was kind of disappointed. I called my husband on my lunch break. He said it's still not here. I checked my tracking, out for delivery. I checked the tracking again later, still out for delivery. When my husband left work, he said it isn't here. But between the time he pulled out and I pulled in, it was left on my porch. It greeted me at the door. I was so excited. Now I ordered like a big, it was like a bundle kit. So this not only came with the coffee maker, it also came with a case of coffee. This is, let's see, don't know exactly which one this is. It just says Nespresso. I'm not sure which flavor this one is, but it's a whole case of the coffee. 11 capsules. Very nice. Very nice. But what I was most excited about was the frother. You know, you go to a fancy coffee bistro. You know, it could be Starbucks or any other fancy coffee place for that matter. And you have the foamy, frothy coffee on top. Well, this bundle came with the frother for free. It was a welcome. You guys, I got this bundle also, I think it was 20 or 25% off. I'm very pleased. This whole bundle was less than $200. This was, oh wow. So now if I order another order of coffee, I get another sleeve of coffee absolutely free. So that, my friends, is fantastic because I'm thinking about ordering a welcome bundle of coffee, and it comes with 2 mugs. Oh my gosh. It comes with this neat little thing, $10 off your coffee order. Here's the bundle that I'm looking at. It is the Nespresso Signature Welcome Gift. But you can order this bundle right here. I'm thinking of ordering that bundle, and it comes with two really nice coffee mugs. You guys take a look at this. It talks all about the espresso maker, the different types of coffee, the different blends, the different flavors. It just says, fill the water tank, turn on the machine, press coffee button. First time used, close machine head, place container at least 12.5 ounces under spout and press coffee button 3 times to rinse the system. Your machine makes 5 cup sizes, guys. You can get 14 ounces, 7.7 ounces, 5.7 ounces, 27 ounces, 2.7 ounces, and 1.35 ounces. Fantastic, guys. And of course, my bill, my shipping paperwork with it. This is awesome, guys. So yeah, I didn't know that it actually came with the box of coffee. I knew that I was getting the frother for free and like 20 to 25% off my purchase. So I won't have to run out and buy coffee in the morning. It is here. All right. Woo. Now comes the moment of truth. The coffee maker. Get some of this paper out. See if I can do this. I'm pulling it out upside down, but that's okay. Oh, I almost dropped it. Oh, I love this box, guys. It has a handle on it. Everything. Let's get this shipping container. And think. There you go. It is the Nespresso Vertuo Plus. Look at here. Yep. 5 cup sizes. 3 capsule sizes. Wow. And whatever centrifusion technology is, I just hope that means really, really great coffee. Look at this, guys. It's like the wheel of coffee. You've got your Altos, your coffee mug, your Gran Lungo, and double espresso, and espresso. All of these look magnificent. All of these look so good. Yeah, so this weekend, look at this. Oh, and there's a coupon on the top. It says $10 off your first coffee order inside. Y'all, I'm going to be able to do real good because I can get a discount on my first coffee order. And then inside that paperwork was a coupon for a free sleeve, you guys. Wow. That's fantastic. So, guess y'all want me to open it and show you guys this coffee maker up close. Now, there were different color options and design options, but a lot of them were not available. So I didn't have a whole lot to pick from. I didn't really care because they all do the same thing and they all make the same amount of coffee. Here's the big, very thick instruction book. That's the back of it, nothing on it. Yeah, I'm gonna order some coffee this weekend, and it comes with those 2 mugs that's shown in the picture. It's like a welcome coffee order package. I'm really looking forward to that. Oh my gosh, guys. Oops. Here is the cap, the top to it, like the water tank. The water reservoir, whichever way you want to call it. The tank, the reservoir. Look at all the styrofoam. And as always, I hold on to all of my shipping and packaging and boxes for at least a month when I order something. Oop, that goes back in there. In case I need to send it back for any reason. Let's see. Oh, wow. Hold on, guys. This is set up to be literally, this front folds down all the way down, and it displays the coffee maker. Here, let me show you guys. It displays the coffee maker, and you can just lift it right out of the box. Let's see here. Trying not to make a mess or drop anything. She's very cumbersome. Oh my goodness, very heavy coffee maker. Move the camera back. Y'all, there she is in all her glory. Here's the water reservoir. Can y'all not see the water reservoir? There's the water reservoir. Here is, I don't know what that is. I think that's where your pods drop in. After your coffee perks, I think that's where your pods drop in. Still don't know everything about it, so I'm gonna have to open the book up and read about it. And like I said, tomorrow our coffee club will be a demonstration of this machine, and we'll show you how it works, and we'll have a cup of coffee and have a little discussion, guys. Like I said, I don't know how to open this up yet to show you inside. I'll have to read the book, read the instructions. Like I said, here is the water reservoir off to the side. It does have like a blue plastic film on it. It just literally pops in and out like that. What do y'all think? I'm excited, guys. I'm excited that it came with a whole case of coffee, a whole thing of coffee. That way in the morning, I can have coffee and I don't have to go to the store first. So guys, that's my unboxing. Oh, this thing right here actually goes, I think, in the front where you set your cup. I think. I'm still a little bit confused. Yeah, this is like a little plate. There you are. This is like a little plate, and it goes in the front. You set your coffee cup on it. Don't know everything about it yet. Oh, there it goes. It slipped into place. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching this unboxing. And tomorrow we will do coffee time, and we'll show more of everything and how it makes coffee. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell, and of course tap all. That way tomorrow when we do coffee time and I show how this baby works, You won't miss a thing. Thank you guys so much, and as always, I'll perk you later.